Okay, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys early access of Furnace, and I got his voice line. I'm taking you to the world so we can party at the beach. Boom, boom, boom. Sure, give him kind of losses. Bet you guys, y'all want a full meal? Kind losses versus 2011X. No, kind losses and 2011X versus Furnace. Bet. I got early access, guys. So, thank you, devs, so much, bro. My father's workshop is buns, bro. Chill, kind loss. We just got here, kind losses. You're already trying to destroy me. Stop that, because later on I'm gonna destroy you. Everyone wants to see my father's latest creation. That is a good creation of my father. Don't give up on it. I'm checking on his PC. Sussy Baka 56554. I love you, daddy. Yo! I'm gonna have to tell my father. Wait. Let me see who that computer is. Eggman's computer 560. Oh, I'm finna kill my father. Once he shows up, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. And he'll never be here again. Boom, 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 permanently. Whoa! Whoa, chill, kind losses. Chill, kind losses. I'm trying to look at my father's latest Yeah. Thinks I'm going to... Look at this dude, bro. Look at this dude. Look at the dude. Look at the dude. He's stupid. 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 Over. He knows. He knows. He knows. He knows. He knows. He knows. Wait. He's AFK. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. The freaking block? How? Oh, oh help. Oh help. Oh help. Oh help. Bleh. I didn't cuss. Don't think I cussed, bro. I didn't. Man. Hi. Hey. Get it. It's time to die. It's time to die. Nope. I'm not falling for that bait, bro. No, bro. I ain't falling for that bait. Not today. Furnace is so overpowered, bro. I love him. Oh, and where do you think you just going? Punch versus punch. What's going on? No. Don't do that to me. No, please. Oh no. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Just place them down. I know. No cooldowns, please. Good God. No, stop. Stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get off here. Get it. I'm gonna take you. No, I was gonna take him. No. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Please. Please. I'm sorry. No, please don't leave. Please. Please. Please don't leave. Please. I'm sorry. No, please. No, please. No, please. No, don't leave. Right. How do you leave? Come on. Yep, we're going for a ride, bud. We're going for a ride. Yeah, we were going for a ride into the void. I flung you to the void. You didn't block in time. Oh yeah. For the win. Oh yeah. I'm posting a video. Well, he said I gotta go, so bye bye guys. Bye bye.